The figure below shows a rhombus. Find angle X. So you have a rhombus, which means you can see that all the sides are the same. Can you see all the sides are the same? Okay. So, and then you can see these lines. I taught you just now already that this and this means this is an isosceles triangle. This angle is the same as this angle. And this angle is the same as this angle. So X is included as one of the equal angles. Okay. So what do? Can I find the green angle first? Can I do that first? Okay. So to find the green angles is you just take 180 degrees, minus away 48 degrees. Okay. And then the answer divided by 2 because 2 equal side equals to 132 degrees divided by 2. 66 degrees. This is 66 degrees. This is 66 degrees. And if you look at it, this triangle and this triangle, they are equal because it's a rhombus. A rhombus is like a 𝗤𝗏𝗡 square. Square, when you cut it up into 2 parts, right? The 2 parts will be the same. Through triangles, I mean. This is a 𝗤𝗏𝗡 square. You cut it up into half like that. So which means this half and that half is the same. So if this is 66, here is 66, here is also 66. The answer is 66 degrees. 4/86 is equal to how many times 10? What is the missing number in the box? Now you need to figure out what is this number first. 4/86. 10th means something over 10. It means that what is that something? It is 4/86 over your 10, like that. Okay, and it is actually 48.6. So they're asking you 48.6 is equals to what times 10? Like this. Okay, so to find this unknown, this is an unknown, you do the opposite. You must do the opposite. So if the sign here asks you to times, you do the opposite, means I need to divide. All right. So 48.6 divided by 10, and I will move it 1 step to the left. That will be 4.86. And that's my answer, 4.86, because I want to find the unknown. Understand? Next one. It's an easy. Express 18/25 as a percentage. Okay, so as a percentage, as I told you, you must times 100%, right? As a percentage. So 18/25 times 100% equals to, so you go crosswise first, right? This one and this one divide by 25, you get this. Then 18 times 4, you get 72%. That's my answer. Okay. Next. Okay, this one must listen properly. It's a problem sum. Even though it looks simple, it's still a problem sum, a simple one. Dylan spent 35% of his pocket allowance on food. 37% of it. So what is this it? It is the pocket allowance still. I am talking about the same thing. A portion of his pocket allowance is spent on food, and a portion of his pocket allowance is spent on transport, and then he saved the rest. Okay, if he had saved $336 in 12 weeks, what was his weekly pocket allowance? All right, so if I know for sure that it's from the same pocket allowance, which means it is as a whole, means a whole is a percentage of 100. Understand? If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, means a whole means this. About model, the whole thing is his pocket allowance, 100%. But it doesn't remain as 100% for long, because 35% of it is spent on food. Okay. And then 37% of it, let's see about here, is spent on transport, T. And then he saved the rest. The rest of this is saved. How much is the rest? Can you find out? You have to take away the rest lah. You take away the food and take away the transport. Okay, that's my first step. 100% minus 100% is the whole thing, minus 35%, minus 37%, I get 28%. This is what I save. Okay, then I know that my 28% is equals to 1 week. In 1 week he saved. This is for 1 week saving only. However, we are given 336 in 12 weeks. Can I find 1 week first? 12 weeks is $336. 1 week is 336 divided by 12 equals to $28. Okay, this is what he saved in 1 week. That's why I want to find 1 week also. Okay, now settle, right? 28% is $28. I want to find his monthly and his weekly pocket allowance, which is how many percent? 100%. Okay, so if you want to find 1%, you may. How to find 1%? 28 divided by 28 equals to 1. If not, you can just skip this. I teach my students to go faster. So just find 100%. This is what I want. So the right over the left times the bottom. Again, the right over the left times the bottom. Okay, so 28 over 28 times the bottom. 100% equals to, this is 1. 1 times 100 is $100. That's it. His pocket allowance is $100. Understand? Next, 7 minutes left. Okay. A tank 70 cm by 60 cm by 40 cm is 7/8 filled with water. When 25 liters of water is added to the tank, how many liters of water will overflow? First things first, let's find out how much water we need to add to the tank, okay, to be added. If I say 7/8 filled with water, what is the balance that's not filled? If you do not know, draw your model. But you don't have to draw model actually. This is common sense lah. But some of you cannot see, it's okay. Then draw your model. This is 8 parts, right? I know it's filled with 7 parts of water. How many parts of water do I need to fill up? This one, which is 1 out of 8. Can you see? All right. So amount of water that's needed. Amount of water needed to fill will be just 1/8. So 1/8 times 70 times 60 times 40. If you notice, this is actually finding the volume. But I don't want to find the whole volume. I just want to find this one portion only. This one only. The one that's needed to fill up. All right, this is how I do that. Okay, and then when I do this, you're going to get 21000 cm cube. And then I want liters, so convert this to liters. 1000 cm cube is equal to 1 liter. So 2100 cm cube divided by 1000 cm cube, I will get my 21 liters of water. So when 25 liters of water is added, right, there will be an overflow, right? Because it is too much. I just need 21 liters. Why? I only need 21 liters to fill up the tank. But I go and pour in 25 liters. So many, so much. How much is the excess, the extra? Take away 21 liters equals to 4 liters of water will overflow. 4 is the answer. Next, last one in time. 5 minutes left. Okay. And the figure below, ABC is a right angle. Can you see it's a right angle due to this 90-degree, right? ABC is a terbalik triangle, but still have that right angle there. This one, erase first. Okay, then ADC is a straight line. The straight line is on top here. Can you see? And you can think of the some other angles on a straight line, 180 degrees. Given the angle ABC is 54. This one, this arc there, 54 degrees. ADB is 56 degrees. This one is 56. Find the value of DBC. Let's color the angle that I want. This one, the green one that I want. Okay. So how do I do this question? We find DBA first. DBA. Because this is the whole thing, which means it add up the blue and the green. Can you see? I add up blue and green equals to 54. But now I only want to find the blue. The blue is angle DBA, which is, if you look at it, it is inside this triangle, the one that I color yellow. The one I color in yellow. Can you see? It is 180 degrees. Take away your 90 right angle. Take away your 56 degrees. Equals to 34 degrees. So this blue angle is 34 degrees. Now, can I find the green angle here? Can, right? I just find angle DBC is equals to 54 degrees. The total of the blue and the green. Take away the 34 degrees equals to 20 degrees. This is the answer for number 30. Just nice.